Students, for showing the weaving activity by paper, here two pieces of paper are taken. Now paper sheets are not of 30 centimeter which is taken here. It is of 18 centimeter, 18 by 18 centimeter square. I hope you are able to see the length of the paper. Yes, you can see the length of the paper is 18 by 18 centimeter. This is of 18 centimeter. Okay. The other one is also 18 by 18 centimeter. So two square pieces are taken. Now what we will do, we will, as it is 18 centimeter, so we can cut strips of equal lengths of about 1.8 centimeter. Okay, so hope you are able to see and understand this. We are going to cut strips of 1.8 centimeter from both of these papers. So see, ma'am is first marking these strips. Strips are being marked as 1.8 centimeter, 1.5, 6, 7, 8. This is 1.8. Then like this, strips will have to be marked of equal length, equal width, equal width. Length will anyway come out to be same, but width will be equal of all. Okay students, so like this marking will be done, and then in this what you can do after this, as it is told in the steps, you can fold it into two halves like this. One strip, and this strip also can be folded into two halves. You can also mark it in the same manner as the first one is done for you. That is, you can mark it because it's a very brown colored strip. So I am marking it from the back side. You can see 1.8 here, then 1.8. So like this you can mark it at 1.8 centimeter. I am showing you this process of weaving by using a paper. So you can mark it like this at 1.8 centimeter length. Is approximately coming to be more than 1.8, so maybe there is some, yes, it's approximately 1.8. Now again I can fold this sheet of paper like this. Okay students, and the first paper also I have folded like this. Marking was not over in this sheet, so I will finish that marking first. So marking is done like this, 1.8, then again 1.8, like this. Okay students, so I have got two sheets of paper which are marked at 1.8 centimeter each. Now next thing what I can do, I can draw lines at this 1.8 centimeter which I have got like this. You can take any pen and you can draw a line. I am leaving some gap at the corner, you can see here I am leaving some gap. That you will understand. In one of the sheets you can leave a gap, or almost you can leave a gap of 1.8 centimeter from the edge. That will make it better. Like here I can take it 1.8 centimeter. Till here only I need to cut the sheet. Okay. So like this I will mark it till here. All the sheets I can even draw this line, because this will become that one edge, and I will draw the lines from these 1.8 centimeters which I have taken. So you see, like this lines will be drawn. Okay students, same way in the other sheet also I will have to draw the lines. This one which I marked, this sheet even I can cut the hole. So I will mark it till the edge, all the lines. Like this it will be marked. So hope students you can also understand and do this activity with ma'am. As ma'am is doing, okay, this line has become little bit towards that side, so we have to correct it now. So like this it should come. You can also take your 2 sheets of paper, any 2 sheets of paper which is available at your home can be taken for this activity. Okay. But if it is of 2 different colors, then it will be good for us. Now what you have to do, you have to just take this strip and you have to go on cutting it like this with help of scissors from these ends. Like this you will cut the strips. It's a very easy task, so all of you can do it easily at your home. You have to cut these strips like this. Same way from the other one also, other sheet we will cut these strips, but we will be cutting it up till this line only. Okay. So you can understand, you will understand it why we are doing it like this once I will open it out for you. So see students how I am cutting these strips. So this way you can keep on cutting your strip. I hope you are understanding what I am doing here. I have cut these strips like this. Okay. Like this you will cut this strip, and then what you will do, you will open it out. Once you open it out, you will see there are some gaps. So now what we have to do, this strip which I have got of the other colored sheet, this actually, this one, this longitudinal one will become your wrap, which you have studied. From your PPT also you can see. And the other one will become your weft. So we will put the weft like this in between. Hope you are able to see. Like this it will be put in between here. Like this. Okay. And then this one from below, and then this one from above, and this one will again go down, and this one will come up. So like this the paper will be, you can put the paper strip, use as a waft, and you can take it once above and once below your paper strip. Okay, so like this. So you are able to see there is one mistake occurred, so it's not looking good, so you can put it like this. Then again we can bring it above and then bring it down. So I hope you are able to see what is done here. This is a weaving which is done by ma'am. You are able to see this, I hope. So this is the way you have to do the weaving, and then these edges which are open here, these edges can be pasted. Both the edges can be pasted, and then you will get a nice woven strip. Okay, so I hope you have understood what is to be done in weaving, and this all of you will do this as your home task today. All of you may be having any type of strip at your home that you can cut, and same way you can go on weaving. Now if I take this second one, then I'll have to put, because this one is coming above, so this I will put down. Okay, like this I'll put it down, and then other one will come up, and then this one will go down like this. Then the other sheet will go up, and again down. So it should come something like this. Here it has come out because I have not pasted the edge. The edges have to be pasted or they have to be stapled, then only they will remain. So these all should come together like this. So here again I will put it down, and here you see it's coming out because I have not pasted the edges. So it's always better to paste the edge and then do this activity. So you will have to put it down, then up like this, and again this edge which I have got, this I will have to paste it here. So students, I hope you have understood. And if I push it together like this, okay, so it will give a nice woven sheet for us like this. So I have shown you 2 lines. So like this students, all of you make more and more lines. You can take a bigger sheet and you can weave it together, and you can see what is the result. Students, you can see the edge of this strip after weaving, and this edges we can join together by using some gum. We can join together like this all the strip edges with each other. Whichever loose edges are there, you can join together. So we will finally get a strip or weaved paper like this. So I hope all of you will be able to make a paper strip weaving. You will be able to do like this using 2 different colored papers, and it's a very easy task. Now this edge I had kept free so that I can insert the papers easily. If you want, you can cut that edge also, and you can put one more strip there. So this is the final sheet, and you see how beautiful it looks. So this type of weaving you can also do at your home and keep it with you. We will later on paste it in the activity file. Okay students, so I hope you have understood today's activity. Now students, the other end which was together, that also have cut, and this part also I have put one strip of paper. So you can see this edge also we can join together like we did before. So we can put these strips together, or we can join these strips together like this. So it will complete our today's activity of making the weaving the mat using the 2 strips of paper, and this is a very nice activity which you can do easily at home. So all of you will do this activity today at home and keep it for pasting in your activity file. So now you see your full paper mat is ready, and this we have prepared by weaving. And in this same process, weaving of fibers or yarns is done to make the fabric. So you can see it's ready from all sides. So all of you do this activity today.